When it comes to drones, DJI sets the standard, and today we're comparing the new DJI Air 3S with its predecessor, the DJI Air 3. Is it worth upgrading? Let's break it down. The DJI Air 3 was already a powerhouse with its dual cameras and versatile features, but the Air 3S promises even more with its LiDAR sensor, upgraded camera, and enhanced obstacle detection. So, should you stick with the Air 3 or go for the Air 3S? Let's dive into the key upgrades and help you make the right choice. The biggest upgrade you'll notice in the Air 3S is the camera. It now packs a larger 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor compared to the Air 3's 1x1.3-inch sensor. This means better low-light performance, sharper details, and improved color depth, especially when shooting in challenging conditions like dawn or dusk. If you're serious about getting the most cinematic shots, the Air 3S wins, hands down, with its superior image quality. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is the addition of a LiDAR sensor, which makes night flying much safer. While the Air 3 already had excellent obstacle avoidance, the Air 3S takes it up a notch with forward-facing LiDAR for better navigation in low-light environments. If you're planning on night flying or shooting in tricky areas, this upgrade might be a game changer. Both drones feature DJI's Active Track, but the Air 3S introduces Active Track 360, which allows the drone to zoom all around your subject while maintaining perfect framing. Whether you're filming a fast-moving car or following a biker on a trail, this feature adds a whole new level of cinematic control. The Air 3S also includes a massive upgrade in storage with 42 GB of internal space, up from the Air 3's 8 GB. This extra space gives you more flexibility during shoots, especially if you forget your micro SD card. Additionally, file transfers can now be done even when the drone is powered off, making the workflow smoother and quicker. Both drones have impressive flight times, but the Air 3S shines with slightly longer battery life at around 45 minutes. That extra time may seem small, but for creators out in the field, it can make all the difference when capturing the perfect shot. So, should you upgrade? If you're already enjoying the Air 3 and don't frequently fly at night or need the LiDAR and storage upgrades, the Air 3 still holds its ground as a great drone. However, if you want top-tier image quality, better night flying, and more internal storage, the Air 3S is a fantastic investment. It's all about how serious you are about your shots. If you need the best DJI offers in this range, the Air 3S is worth the upgrade. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone comparisons and tech reviews.